Do we really have to share the same room with Dad? He snores so loud and I can't sleep. I know I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight if we all share the same room. Yes, sweetie, we're gonna all have to share the same room. I'm not spending money on a separate room for you. This is gonna be horrible. I don't wanna hear it. It's not gonna be that bad. Oh my gosh, I knew this was gonna happen. His snoring is so loud and obnoxious. Mom, do we have to sleep with Dad? Sweetie, just close your ears. Just deal with it. It's not that bad.